Our body is made of cells. The process of transportation of nutrients, gases, wastes and other substances from one part of our body to the other part is carried out by blood and termed as circulation. Blood is actually a connective tissue. The blood consists of a fluid matrix called plasma. It is straw colored and it contains about 90% of water, several proteins and three kinds of cells which are called white blood corpuscles or leukocytes, platelets or thrombocytes, and the red blood corpuscles are erythrocytes. Another body fluid is called lymph. Internal structure of human heart. Heart is a vital organ. It is located in the thoracic cavity in between two lungs. It is protected by a pericardium. Heart is made of cardiac muscles and it has four chambers which are divided into two atria and two ventricles. The tricuspid valve is present between the right atrium and the right ventricle.